Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to format audio tracks in Google Vids. So you've got your Google Vids project open and you've got some audio tracks down here. If you go to Format, actually let me click and select the audio track. If I click on Format, I can choose Audio, and then I can adjust the audio timing. If you notice, there's like these little tiny little cropping things on either side. One thing you have to understand is you can adjust this. Let's see if I can shrink that down. Uh, but if you do a voiceover, right, like if you're talking over your video scene, that is not counted as an audio track. That is apparently something different. So if you click on a voiceover and you go to format, you do not get the option to format that as an audio file. It actually has to be an audio file that you've inserted from somewhere else. It can't be a recording, which I find kind of odd, but okay. But if you do have an audio file and you want to play with it a little bit, make sure it sounds exactly the way it needs to for exactly the right amount of time at the right place in your scene. You can do that by going under Format and then clicking on Audio. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.